Dementia has many faces, and it affects every life aspect of every person that suffers from it. You need to know that preventing dementia is within your control. While most people think cognitive decline is an inevitable part of aging, science is now revealing a different story. Imagine being able to protect your brain, sharpen your memory, and lower your risk of Alzheimer's, simply by adopting easy key lifestyle changes. But here's the catch: many people overlook the most critical strategies that could make all the difference. Are you ready to challenge the common misconceptions about dementia and take charge of your brain health? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the essential steps you can take to beat the odds. Welcome to Levitas. Preventing Alzheimer's starts with understanding its triggers and addressing them early. One of the most effective strategies is maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle. The same habits that protect your heart, such as controlling blood pressure, reducing cholesterol, and managing blood sugar, also protect your brain. Why is your heart health so important? Because brain cells rely on a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood, and cardiovascular issues disrupt this supply, increasing the risk of dementia. Another crucial strategy is prioritizing quality sleep. Research shows that during deep sleep, the brain clears out beta-amyloid plaques, those sticky proteins associated with Alzheimer's. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, and consider optimizing your sleep environment by reducing blue light exposure and establishing a consistent bedtime routine. Finally, adopting a keto lifestyle or a Mediterranean-style food plan, rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and healthy fats can protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Foods like fatty fish, leafy greens, nuts, and berries nourish the brain and support cognitive function. Combined with regular physical activity, these strategies create a powerful defense against Alzheimer's. Can brain games slow down cognitive decline? Yes. Brain games can be an effective tool for slowing cognitive decline. Activities like puzzles, memory challenges, and strategy games stimulate neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections. This helps keep your brain agile and improves memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. The key here is consistency. Dedicating just 15 to 30 minutes a day to brain training exercises can have a lasting impact. Apps, online platforms, and even traditional board games offer a variety of cognitive challenges to keep your brain sharp. Think of it as a workout for your mind. How social interactions protect brain health. Social interactions are more than just enjoyable, they're essential for brain health. Engaging in conversations, maintaining friendships, and participating in group activities stimulate cognitive processes like memory, language, and emotional regulation. Socializing also reduces the risk of depression and loneliness, which are linked to an increased risk of dementia. When you interact with others, your brain is constantly processing information, interpreting emotions, and forming responses, all of which enhance neural connections. So, whether it's a phone call, a coffee date, or joining a club, staying socially active can help keep your brain resilient and healthy. What is the role of music therapy in dementia patients? Music therapy is a powerful tool for dementia patients, offering both cognitive and emotional benefits. Listening to familiar songs can trigger memories and emotions, even in advanced stages of the disease. Music activates multiple areas of the brain, including those responsible for memory, movement, and mood. It can reduce agitation, improve mood, and even enhance communication in patients who struggle with verbal expression. Simple activities like singing, playing an instrument, or listening to soothing melodies can provide comfort and stimulate cognitive function, making music a valuable addition to dementia care. What is the most overlooked prevention strategy? One of the most overlooked strategies for preventing dementia is managing chronic inflammation. While people often focus on diet and exercise, they underestimate the silent damage caused by low-grade inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation disrupts the delicate balance of the immune system, and contributes to the development of amyloid plaques and tau tangles, hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. But why is this strategy so overlooked? Because inflammation doesn't always present obvious symptoms. It can simmer quietly for years, fueled by poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and exposure to environmental toxins. Many people only address it when a serious health issue arises. To combat this, focus on anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, proteins, and leafy greens. Reduce sugar and processed foods, which are known to trigger inflammation. Regular physical activity and stress management techniques like meditation and deep breathing also play a crucial role in keeping inflammation in check. Addressing inflammation early can significantly lower your risk of cognitive decline and improve overall brain health. What's the impact of healthy food and exercise? A balanced diet and regular physical activity are foundational for dementia prevention. Nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, berries, fish, and nuts provide antioxidants, omega-3s, and vitamins that protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Meanwhile, physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neurons and enhancing cognitive function. Exercise also helps regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, two key factors in preventing cognitive decline. Aim for a combination of aerobic exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to maximize brain health. How to manage stress to prevent dementia. Chronic stress is a significant risk factor for dementia, as it elevates cortisol levels, which can damage the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Managing stress effectively involves adopting practices that calm the nervous system and reduce cortisol. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and progressive muscle relaxation can lower stress levels and promote mental clarity. Prioritizing leisure activities, spending time in nature, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance are also essential for long-term brain health. Remember, a relaxed mind is a healthy mind. Is dementia prevention possible for anyone? Yes, dementia prevention is possible for most people, regardless of age or genetic predisposition. While genetics play a role, lifestyle factors have a more significant impact on brain health. By adopting a brain-healthy lifestyle, focusing on diet, exercise, sleep, stress management, and social engagement, you can reduce your risk of cognitive decline. Even small changes, like incorporating brain-boosting foods or increasing physical activity, can make a difference. The earlier you start, the better, but it's never too late to take the steps to protect your brain and improve your quality of life. Can supplementation help? Certain supplements can support brain health and reduce the risk of dementia. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are essential for maintaining brain structure and function. Aim for 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of DHA and EPA combined daily, sourced from fish oil or algae-based supplements. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, and B12, help reduce homocysteine levels, a marker linked to cognitive decline. A high-quality B-complex supplement can support brain health. Antioxidants like vitamin E and C protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Aim for 400 international units of vitamin E and 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily. Additionally, supplements like curcumin with a dose ranging from 500 to 1,000 milligrams and magnesium L-threonate of 400 to 500 milligrams can enhance cognitive function and reduce inflammation. Remember, it's important to always consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure safety and optimal dosing. In conclusion, preventing dementia is a multifaceted approach that involves optimizing various aspects of health and lifestyle. It starts with maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle, as cardiovascular health is directly linked to brain health. By controlling blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, you ensure that your brain receives a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Prioritizing quality sleep is another critical strategy, as deep sleep helps clear beta-amyloid plaques from the brain, a hallmark of Alzheimer's. Equally important is following a keto or Mediterranean-style food plan, rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and healthy fats, which protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Physical activity complements this by boosting blood flow to the brain and promoting neurogenesis. Mental exercises, such as brain games, help enhance neuroplasticity, while social interactions stimulate cognitive processes and reduce the risk of depression and loneliness. One often overlooked yet crucial factor is chronic inflammation, which silently contributes to cognitive decline. Managing inflammation through anti-inflammatory foods, stress reduction techniques, and regular exercise can significantly protect brain health. Finally, supplementation with omega-3s, B vitamins, antioxidants, and curcumin can provide additional support, enhancing cognitive function and reducing the risk of dementia. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.